spent my whole life swimming upstream through the water and never really getting much further than the day before. But I keep digging, never wondering what it is I'm after. Just trying to find a way to move faster and do what I was told. Afraid what I might find if I open up my eyes and see that life's not the way that I believe. This ain't real. What the hell am I doing here? These days people talk too much, can't say no. Get caught up in the come and go, untethered from their restless soul, and take it slow. All these people waiting on anything to happen, just caught up in another distraction, so they don't feel a thing. But oh, I want to feel the weight of every single minute, catch up all the time I've been missing, every high and every low. Afraid what I might find if I open up my eyes and see that life's not the way that I believe. If this is real, why does everyone disappear? These days people talk too much, can't say no. Get caught up in the come and go, untethered from your restless soul, and take it slow.